Navigating the world of car insurance feels like a maze, but don't worry. We're here to illuminating the path to understanding Geico. Step 1. Before you even think about Geico, ask yourself, why do I need insurance? Are you a driver, a homeowner, or both? Knowing what you need insured is the crucial first step. Next, let's break down the fundamental types of coverage. You'll hear about liability coverage, which covers damages you cause to others. Collision coverage protects your car from accidents, and comprehensive coverage protects against things like theft or natural disasters. Understanding these basics is vital. Geico, like any insurance company, presents various coverage options. However, before committing, compare their options with others. This will allow you to decide what fits your needs. Let's move on to the financial side of things. Car insurance premiums are affected by many factors, including your driving history, the type of car you own, and the coverage level you select. You should request quotes to identify what is the best option for you. Now, listen up for the good news: discounts. Geico offers many, such as discounts for good drivers, defensive driving courses, and insuring multiple vehicles. So always inquire about potential savings to lower your costs. Knowing what you need to prepare yourself for Geico can prepare you for the purchase. By understanding your insurance needs, coverage options, and costs, you will be better equipped to make an informed decision. Always ask questions and compare your options. That's it. Congratulations, you're now a little bit more prepared to face the world of Geico and ensure you and your assets are properly protected. Thanks for watching.